New York, and we want to know how you're adapting to the many changes. Today, we hear from James, a stylist turned travel filmmaker living in Harlem. His business and life were turned upside down by the pandemic.
I built a company that was trying to do travel films, and now travel was at a standstill. The first couple of weeks of this outbreak in New York, I decided to take my cameras, go out of my car, and film as much of New York City as I could. And as eerie as it was to see the streets so empty, it was so beautiful. At the beginning of April, things got a little more serious. And especially because I have elderly parents that have underlying conditions, I had to be super careful. So I decided not to leave the house at all. But I'm here with all this camera equipment and all this time, and I wanted to use the time creatively and keep myself challenged. April 14th was my birthday. So I decided to, instead of pining over what couldn't be in the party that was not, I decided to throw myself a party. But I invited all my friends by having them do short little video clips and send them to me, and I did a montage. My other project was to do a home cooking series. I wanted to do something that was inclusive, collaborative, and fun for everybody involved. So I came up with Quarantine Kitchen. So I cook some dish in my house, somebody cooks the same dish or a similar dish in their house, and we pretend to pass ingredients back and forth through the camera. Okay, I guess we're passing this to the expert in Hawaii. Talia, let's see what you got. Show us how to do it.
You know about cutting a pineapple, Jers.
But by doing it as a collaborative effort, it shows that people from all around the world can still connect. They can still bond, create, cook, and create experiences together.
And we want to hear about your new York. You can share your stories and messages with us using